Okay, we are going to refresh quickly about the power produced in European generators and the power produced in American generators. Talking about European generators, suppose that I have a single-phase European generator. Single-phase European generator, guys. That generator only produces one phase, no? How much is the voltage in that phase of the European generator? 230. And the frequency? 50. Correct. This is the single-phase generator. Okay. I have a single-phase American boat with American generator. Single phase. Hot, neutral, and ground. How much is the voltage in the single-phase American generator? 120. 60 hertz. That's okay?
Yep.
All right. In the American generator, the color of the wires? Black, white, green. In European? Brown, blue, and yellow, green. No? All right. Single phase. Both generators are single phase. Okay. I am going to configure this generator for double phase, the American generator. Okay, now this generator is producing two phases. What is the color of the wires? Hot, hot one, black, hot two,
red,
white, and green. Okay, now I am going to configure this European generator for double phase. Phase one, brown. Phase two, gray, blue, and yellow green. Finito. Okay, suppose that you have a boat, European boat, single phase. How much is the voltage in that boat, European boat, single phase? 230. You remember how is the shape of the outlet? You remember that the outlet in American is like this, no? This is the outlet that we have in the walls. And you remember how is the European outlet? And the green is a piece of metal here on the case. You remember that?
Yeah.
And the one is hot and the other one is neutral. This is the European outlet. And this is the plug. You see? You see the plug? Hot, neutral, and this is the ground. How much voltage I have in those outlets? 230. And in the saloon, in the sofas, in the master room, in that boat, there are only this type of outlets. Only this type of outlets. This is very common. The boat arrived to the United States yesterday. And now, everything in the kitchen, only outlets like this. And you need 110, 120. Okay, you can buy this step-down transformer. Convert 230 into 110 and 110. 115, 115. Convert 230 into 115, 115. But, I know your question. This is 230, 50 hertz. And now you have 110, 115, 50 hertz. Mr. Lopez, but it's 110. Yes, my friend, but it's 50 hertz. Can I connect the blower? Yes. Yes, all of those. But those equipments are running 17% less efficient. You know? This is a temporary solution. The people installing the saloon, a lot of those equipments in the outlets, one in the master room, and now you have outlets, but everything is 50 hertz. Because you reduce with the step-down transformer the voltage, but not the frequency. Yeah? Everybody follow me? What is the name of this? Step-down transformer. If you see here, they say the input is 220 and the output is 110, but the frequency is equal. All right?